What's going on YouTube? This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing for you on a sneaker that kind of got overlooked. I mean, not a lot of people were checking for them, but they only came out in grade school, you know, toddler, whatever. And yeah, my girl kind of overlooked them too. When she saw pictures of them, she was kind of like, I don't know about those. I don't really want them. Then she saw them in hand and was like, oh, I gotta have them. So she got them yesterday as we were down there at the DJ Khaled We The Best Snipe store in Miami Beach, Florida. And the box label on here reads, before I get to it, smash the like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop these videos. In any case, box reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Grade School Hyper Violet. This is a 6Y, and let me tell you something, size 5Y and up is super hard to come by. They're already sold out there on the Nike app. But let me go ahead and pop these open. The first thing you're gonna see is this water-like tissue paper. Now, I'm not sure what the water is supposed to be representative of when it comes to this sneaker, because the shoe itself is nothing to do with water. But in any case, here we go. We got the Jordan 4 Hyper Violets, and let me go ahead and pop these out. And man, first off, let me hold this close to the camera here. I need you guys to see the sheen, this like kind of violet shine or whatever that's here in the leather. And let me tell you something too. Now, I took a look at these, and this just goes to show when Jordan Brand wants to, they can put out grade school pairs with very little QC issues. Because, I mean, just an overall look at the shoe real quick. Let me hold that up close so you guys can see. There's barely any glue stains or anything like that. And this being a white sneaker, you know, you'd be able to see some of that overstaining pretty easily here. And I'm not seeing any real issues with these whatsoever. But like I said, we do have this kind of purplish sheen here in the leather quality. The white laces are what's pre-laced in here. Taking a look here at the tongue tag, there's like some water droplets you can kind of see in there. And again, that's probably going along there with the water tissue paper. But you see there's like a clear cover that's over the tag. And you got that Hyper Violet Jumpman with the flight. Taking a look at the inside of the sock liner, it's white in there, and then you can see that insole foot pad is also Hyper Violet with the white Jumpman down there on the bottom. And then of course, behind the tongue, you do have Air Jordan Air written upside down in Hyper Violet lettering. The wing straps are that Hyper Violet color, you know, kind of translucent looking there. If you take a look at them, you got that Hyper Violet Jumpman there on the back. Midsole itself is white. There's nothing too special going on with that. Got a nice clear air unit there as well. And then the outsole is a translucent Hyper Violet color, which is actually pretty dope. I like the outsole on these. It's pretty nice. And let me go ahead and pull out the other pair so you can take a quick look and see here that, you know, like I said, I mean, when they want to, they can give us some decent quality grade school pairs. So ladies, if you're interested in this sneaker here, or, you know, parents, if you want to cop these for your little girl, I mean, listen, these are not a bad pair of fours. Now, there is one con I will give this, and that is the back tab. It is a stiffer back tab than what we got on, let's say, the Bred 4 Reimagined or even the Military Blue 4s. I'm not sure actually what the back tab is like for the kids version, because I haven't gotten those yet, but this is pretty stiff here. It's not as flimsy or soft as the men's pair of Jordan 4s. So I would tell you this, make sure you wear above the ankle socks so they don't cut into your Achilles. That's my one piece of advice I'm gonna tell you. But other than that, and these are pretty dope, man. I really like the way these came out. But let me know down in the comment section below what you think of these. And in any case, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.